Welcome everyone. Before we get started with the course material, I wanted to quickly show you the curriculum of the course and its general structure. The curriculum can be thought of in two parts. The first part is going to be taught by me, Jose, and the second part being taught by Marcel. So, I'll be teaching you in the first half about some very basic deep learning concepts, including the NumPy library, some general machine learning concepts, and then how to use the basics of PyTorch and PyTorch tensors. And after that, we'll talk about convolutional neural networks, which is the key deep learning methodology we use in the second half of the course to understand how to use deep learning for medical image analysis. Then, in the second half of the course, Marcel will take over. He'll give you an overview of medical image data types and formats, and then take you through a series of deep learning on medical image projects, including cardiac detection, atrium segmentation, lung tumor segmentation, and even 3D liver segmentation. So you can think of the first half as prepping you for the medical image analysis that Marcel is going to take you through in the second half. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you in the next lecture.